Hello friends, welcome to the course of Marketing Management 1. I am Dr. Vinod Malkar, Professor of Marketing, and in the second video of Marketing Management 1, today we are going to discuss marketing management philosophies. There are almost 5 philosophies that we're going to learn. The first one, that is production concept. Second one, product concepts. Third one, selling concepts. Fourth one, marketing concept. And fifth one, societal marketing concept. We'll understand each one. In the old days, the majorly all the organizations, manufacturer, focusing on only production concepts. So the philosophy was based on consumer favor products that are available and highly affordable. The main aim in doing these concepts to improve the production and distribution. So only the manufacturer were focusing on production and distribution, and consumer just have a concern about availability. Moving ahead, when the organizations has focuses more on the quality of the product, then product concepts came in the existence, and the philosophy was consumer favor products that offer the most quality, performance, and innovative features. So the organization are starting focusing on quality product and the performance and then innovative features of the products. So you see in the product concepts, these are the parts, the things that has been considered. In the selling concepts, consumer will buy products only if the company promotes sell these products. So the philosophy was each marketer says that the products will be only sold when the organization promotes the products with the help of more selling efforts. Then moving ahead, then organization started focusing on identification of needs and wants of the customer and satisfaction of that need and want of the customer by offering the products. So marketing concepts is more talking about need, wants, and satisfaction, and moreover that has been grown to the delightness and wow concept. And the last, the concepts nowadays, UV marketer are focusing not only on the marketing point of view, but the societal marketing concepts has slowly taken a growth stage, and UV organizations are trying to focusing on green marketing or the environmental friendly products that comes under this societal marketing concept. So just with and more explanations, we'll see how the production concepts holds that customers will favor those products that are widely available and low in cost. So the managers of production oriented organization concentrate on achieving high production efficiency and wide distribution coverage. Still, you find some of the organizations are on the production concept stage. If you see majority of cooperative sugar factories are still focusing much more on a production, and they are not doing branding. Nowadays few companies has came in existing like a Madhura Sugar in India. The old example, you can take the Ford Motors T-shaped car. So you know the Henry Ford was saying that I will manufacture only a car of black colors. So this was nothing but the production concepts. Majorly, the company was focusing on producing the cars. Similarly, these concepts you find at many places. Moving ahead with the product concepts, hold that consumers will favor those products that offer the most quality, performance, or innovative features. Managers in these product oriented organization focus their energy on making superior products and into improving them over time. So R&D cost is much more in the product concepts, and UV organizations are spending huge amount of money and time to develop innovative products that can be offered to the market. But again, without understanding much more needs, wants, and affordability of the product, the company just focusing on the innovativeness and quality concerns about a product. Moving ahead with the selling concept holds that consumers, in left alone, will ordinarily not buy enough of the organization products. The organization must therefore undertake an aggressive selling and promotion effort. Like an insurance product, the majority of the products are sold with the help of insurance, and the um, these efforts selling high selling efforts are taken during the selling of the products. And the marketing concepts holds that the key to achieving organizational goal consists in determining the needs and wants of target market and delivering the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than the competitors. So these concepts mostly focuses on these needs and wants and offering the products to satisfy these needs and wants of the customer. And the societal marketing concepts hold that organization task is to determine the need, wants, and interest of the target market and to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than competitors in the way that preserves or enhances the consumers, societies as well-being. So consumer and society's well-being is one of the central concepts, like in green marketing concepts and the environmental friendly products, avoiding plastics and some of the harmful nature of the product should be avoided. So these are the 5 concepts or philosophies of marketing. I hope you had remembered the topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel SKey for getting and more updated videos in the marketing management. Thank you.